Hey guys, in this video, I will give honest review on Yupoo. Should you buy from Yupoo? Alright, let's begin. In 2025, Yupoo remains a widely used photo hosting platform, primarily used by sellers to showcase items via image-only galleries, and it doesn't facilitate direct transactions. Instead, buyers are often redirected to external messaging apps like WhatsApp or WeChat or third-party agents for purchasing. While Yupoo itself isn't an e-commerce site, it has become synonymous with access to low-priced replica goods and cross-border sellers targeting international buyers. The question on many minds is Yupoo safe to buy from? The short answer, Yupoo as a platform is fairly secure for hosting images. It typically operates over HTTPS and supports standard security features. However, the buyer risk comes from the individual sellers, not the site infrastructure. One common issue is counterfeit or misleading merchandise. Many users searching for luxury replicas or branded items rely on sellers posting attractive product photos. But without guarantees, items may arrive poorly made or entirely different from what was advertised. Complaints include non delivery, incorrect items, and difficult refunds. Several real users have described frustrating customer experiences, for example, paying for goods via external messaging and never receiving either product or refund. Some channels report receiving misaligned packages or items that do not match film quality photos. Others found that disputes are hard to resolve through Yupoo itself as it lacks built-in commerce or refund tools. There are also registration barriers. Some reviews mention UPU requiring a Chinese phone number, making it difficult for international buyers to sign up or gain seller access. That said, positive experiences do exist, especially when buyers use trusted agents or sellers with established reputations. These agents act as middlemen, verifying products, handling payments via more secure methods like PayPal, and offering refund protections. Their reviews cite reasonable accuracy in replication, consistent shipping, and dispute resolution when issues arise. So, should you buy from Yupoo? If you rely on verified agents or well-reviewed sellers and use secure payment methods with refund protection, you might find decent quality products at low prices. But the platform inherently lacks buyer guarantees and transactions are never processed through Yupoo itself. You're dealing directly with individuals or agents who may have varying reliability. Bottom line, Yupoo is legitimate as a photo hosting site, but buying through it involves high risk. Without safeguards, the chance of counterfeit goods, fraud, or disputes is real. Proceed only if you know your seller or agent, use trusted payment channels, and understand that refunds may be difficult or non existent. For many buyers, safer, transparent e commerce alternatives may be a better long term choice than navigating huskier risks via Yupoo. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.